how to edit or delete scheduled messages in Slack. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide in order to manage your scheduled messages on Slack. So let's get started with the process. We can navigate to the message first, head over to the inbox section directly, and in order to edit or delete the scheduled messages, what we can do is we can just go over and type in a message first, and we can just go over and select schedule from here. For that, once you have typed in your necessary message, you can look out for the paper plane icon if you own mobile device and hold it up, and a menu pops up which is schedule message and custom time, etc. So we can select either custom time, Monday, tomorrow, or schedule message. Let's select schedule and tap on custom time, and we can schedule the message. So we have scheduled messages all times in a certain area. After that, in this particular time, if you want to change the time, you can select up day, and choose up another date. So for example, if I would like to send it on this date, on February 28th, you can tap on OK. Once you have OK with it, and the time also, you can set it up in 12 o'clock and tap on OK, and you can tap on schedule message, and when you do, the message will be scheduled. You can just go over and see. If you want to see the scheduled message, you can tap on see all scheduled messages, and then you can find the scheduled messages here. If you want to remove it, you can hold it up and look out for the option called delete message. Or if you want to reschedule it, you can tap on this option called reschedule. Or if you want to edit it, you can tap on edit, and we can edit the message. So if you want to edit it, you can do so. Tap on right. After that, if you want to delete it, you can hold it up again, tap on delete. If you want to reschedule, you can tap on reschedule. But usually this is how you should be able to edit or delete the scheduled messages in Slack. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.